In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use VPN in Higgsfield AI. So to use VPN with Higgsfield AI, you must connect your VPN to an approved country to use Higgsfield. So to do this, head over first to Higgsfield.ai and you can actually install an application for the VPN, or you can download this extension, which is this Windscribe free VPN for Chrome. So just head over and reload first your Higgsfield in order to activate it there. Now click on the VPN. Here we have Windscribe. You can click on this globe icon in order to see all of the locations that you can access. You can access those that with star if you have upgraded your account, or you can answer or you just use this with hearts if you have a free account. So clicking on a location will turn it on. You can click onto this right here to turn it off, then click on this to turn it on if you want. So that's how you actually did it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.